Today we're gonna build a Twister robot. And I really want this robot because when I play Twister with my friends, there's always one player sitting on the side, spinning the spinner. So this robot will do this job for us so everyone can join the game. This robot has two challenges. Challenge 1, we need to random select a color and a hand or foot for us to move. And the second challenge is we need to tell the robot we are ready for the next step and the robot can start spinning again. So the first step in making this Twister robot is making something to select a color for us. And for this I used the banana gear and made a circle out of it. And we have two of these circles, you can place colored panels in between. So let's put this on top. And now we have a wheel that can turn and can select a color for us. The next step is to make the wheel spin. And to do this, we need to attach it to a motor. So I built this frame with a LEGO MINDSTORMS motor inside. So we're gonna attach the wheel to this motor. And now the wheel can spin. Now we can select a color, but we need also to select a hand or a foot. So I built a second wheel and instead of colored panels, I put little hands and foots in between. So I also place this in the frame with its own motor. And we add some extra decoration to it. And now we have a robot that can select a color and a hand or a foot for us. Now the robot can show us which color and hand we need to move, but we need to tell the robot we are ready for the next step. And for this we're gonna attach this ultrasonic sensor on top of the robot. And now every time we wave to the robot knows we are ready and will show us a new hand or foot and color to move. So now our robot is finished and the last step is to program it. And we're gonna do this using the LEGO MINDSTORMS Robot Inventor app. So what is it exactly that our robot needs to do? The first thing is waiting until we wave in front of the sensor. So we're gonna start our program with a wait block, telling the robot to wait until the distance sensor measures something closer than 15 centimeters. Now, after that's done, we want to move the wheel with the hands and feet, which is connected to port E. And it needs to move to a certain position. But to what position is it exactly that we want to move? If I put the motor in position 0, you see that one of the panels is in between the framing. And since we have 8 panels and a circle is 360 degrees, that means that the second panel is located at position 45 degrees and that the third panel is located at position 90 degrees. So we want to pick this position random. So we're first going to pick a random number between 1 and 8. And then we are going to multiply this number with 45 degrees. And that's the position our motors needs to move to. And in this way we are always sure that one of the panels ends up in between the framing. Now, since we have 2 wheels, we need to do this twice. And the second time we do it with motor F, which is the motor connected to the wheels with the colors. Now, we don't want our motors to spin too fast, so we're gonna put the speed to 30% for both motors, motor E and F. And also after we reached our position, we want the robot to hold this position. So also this is done for motor E and F. And since we want to have an endless game, we're gonna put a forever loop around it. So now our program is finished and we need to start testing. video.